Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are asking the question, how far can animals see? We humans think our eyes are pretty great. I mean, we can see a candle flame from 2.5 kilometers away. That's around 1.5 miles. Not too shabby. Well, hold on to your eyeballs because there are some animals out there who can see much farther than we can. From an eagle's incredible eyesight to a mantis shrimp's extraordinary vision, these creatures show us what it would be like if we had superpowers. And by the end of this video, you might just want to get some new specs. You don't have to. We're not going to pay for them. First up, let's take a look at the bald eagle, America's national bird. These majestic raptors soar through the skies with ease, searching for their next meal. But what makes them so successful as hunters is their keen eyesight. Eagles have 4 to 8 times better visual acuity than humans. This means they can see smaller details from much farther away. Just imagine trying to spot a mouse from half a mile away. But for an eagle, it's just another day at the office. In fact, eagles can spot prey from up to 3 kilometers or 1.8 miles away. With their ability to see clearly from such a distance, it's no wonder that eagles are one of the top predators in the world. The secret behind their amazing eyesight lies in the structure of their eyes. Unlike humans, whose eyes move independently, an eagle's eyes are positioned forward on its head, giving them a binocular vision. This allows them to judge distances more accurately and gives them a greater field of view. Eagles also have more rods and cones in their retinas than humans, which are the cells responsible for detecting light and color. This gives them better low light vision and the ability to see a wider range of colors, which helps them identify potential prey. But perhaps the most impressive adaptation is their tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer behind the retina that amplifies the amount of light reaching the photoreceptor cells. This allows eagles to see 6 to 8 times better in low light conditions than humans can, making them true masters of the night sky. But eagles aren't the only ones with incredible eyesight. There's also the mantis shrimp, a small crustacean that lives in the coral reefs. They may be tiny, but their eyesight is anything but. Mantis shrimp can see colors that we can't even imagine. We humans see things in 3 color channels: red, green, and blue. This is why when you mix these colors together, you get white light. But mantis shrimp don't just see in these 3 colors, they see in at least 12. That's 3 times more than us. Imagine seeing the world in a whole new light, literally. This means that when 2 colors combine in a mantis shrimp's eye, it doesn't appear gray or black and white as it does to us, but rather a completely different color. For example, when red and green light hit a mantis shrimp's eye, it sees this as blue. To us, that combination would look brown. Because of their extra color receptors, mantis shrimp can detect a wider spectrum of colors than we can, but that's not all. Their eyes are also incredibly complex, containing multiple lenses and retinas. This allows them to see things with incredible clarity and detail. A single mantis shrimp can resolve details as small as 0.0013 arc seconds. For scale, the human eye can resolve about 1 arc second. That's like being able to read a newspaper from 200 meters away. No binoculars needed. And just to put this into perspective, if a mantis shrimp were the size of a human, it could see individual atoms. Seriously, nature's way of saying, hey, humans, you think you're so special? Well, we got nothing on those mantis shrimp. But wait, it gets even better. If you thought seeing in multiple colors was cool, just wait till you hear about the flies that can see in slow motion. Yes, you heard that right. Flies can literally see life moving in slow motion. It is like watching a movie with 120 frames per second instead of the usual 24 or 30. And you might be wondering, why do flies get to have all the fun? Well, it turns out that they have an incredible adaptation that allows them to perceive the world around them much faster than we can. You see, our eyes can only process visual input at about 60 frames per second. But flies, on the other hand, have eyes that can process visual input at up to 360 frames per second. Now, this means that flies can see objects moving at up to 60 times the speed of what we can see. So if you're trying to swat a fly, you better be quick because they'll be seeing your every move before you even make it. But it's not just their speed that's impressive. Flies also have an incredible ability to analyze what they see. Their brains can process visual information almost instantly, allowing them to react to their surroundings in real time. So not only can they see things that we can't, but they can also do it faster than we can. Talk about being the predator instead of the prey. So next time you see a fly buzzing around, remember that it's not just a pesky insect, but a superpowered creature with abilities that we can only dream of. And maybe, just maybe, we can learn something from them about how to see the world around us in a whole new way. And there's even more. Some animals like bees, butterflies, certain reptiles, and birds can see ultraviolet light. But it's not just dogs that have special nighttime vision. Owls can see really well in the dark, thanks to their eyes. Their eyes are big and round, which lets them take in lots of light. They also have these things called rods and cones, which help them see in the dark. And they have a special thing called a tapetum lucidum, which reflects the light and makes their eyes shine in the dark. And it's not just owls. Lots of animals can see really well in the dark, like cats, deer, wolves, and foxes. Some of these animals have special eyes that can see really well in the dark. They also have special night vision goggles that help them see even better. These goggles let them see really well in the dark, and they also make their eyes shine in the dark. So if you think you have good eyes, think again. Eagles can see rabbits from 3 kilometers away, and mantis shrimp can see colors we can't even imagine. Flies can see in slow motion, and some animals can see in the dark and UV light. Nature is full of surprises, and we never stop learning about it. So keep looking up in the sky and down at the little things, because you never know what you might see. Now I'm gonna tell you a joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Haha. Alright, now it's time for you to make your voice heard. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts on today's video. Did you learn something new? Do you know any other cool facts about animal vision? Share your thoughts with the community. And while you're at it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more fun science videos. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep making awesome content for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.